Instagram finally has an update where you could now add 5 links to your Instagram bio instead of just 1. All you have to do is launch Instagram and then click on your profile here to come to your profile and then press edit profile right over here. And as long as you've updated your Instagram app, in the links section, you could actually add multiple different links, not just one. So the first thing you got to do is you got to jump over here and you need to add an external link. This could be to a YouTube video, it could be to a website, basically anywhere outside of Instagram. I'm going to click here. Now here you could type in a URL. So this could be a website again or YouTube video. And then you could also give it a title and then you could press done right here. So here's one link that's been added, but you could now add another one too. And you don't have to give it a title. You could just press done if you want. And now if I go back to my profile, just to show you, I'll press done over here to save it. And then if I refresh my profile, you have this link section so people could click it and see multiple different links just like this. Now I'm gonna add up to 5 different links for different things that I want people to do on my Instagram. And that's how you add multiple links onto your Instagram bio. I'll catch you on the next video.